Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. Wi-Fi issues are sucky problems. Absolutely hate them. They just drain you. So I'm going to show you how to just knock this out of the ballpark. So if your PC is showing connected and secured, but the internet is actually not running, it's one of the most common yet fixable frustrations on Windows 11. And I've gone through this a couple times. I've done it on Windows 10 as well. So what you need to do is first find the source, so your router or your modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in. This will refresh your ISP connection and it clears any temporary errors. Make sure that it's 30 seconds, not just a quick plug in or plug out and plug in. Then a simple Windows restart can resolve many temporary software glitches. So always try these steps first. Then look at the taskbar, which is at the bottom right of your screen. Confirm that Wi-Fi is actually turned on and your network shows connected. This is a very common problem because we sometimes miss the most obvious things. Then you can disable airplane mode. This is also cutting your connection. So go to settings, network and internet airplane mode and make sure that it's switched off. Then if any of that didn't actually help, these deeper solutions will target driver issues, corrupt network profiles and misconfigured settings. So first, forget and reconnect. So go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, manage no networks, forget the network. This means you'll need to know the password for the network, then just reconnect to that network. Then the network troubleshooter, which is built into your Windows system. Go to settings, network and internet status, network troubleshooter, and then Windows will actually diagnose and attempt to do an automatic fix. Then we need to update our Wi-Fi drivers. So open Device Manager, Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and then look for Update Driver and search automatically. This will search your system and then the internet if it can't find what it's looking for. Then the last resort is a network reset. So go to Settings, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, and reset now. This reinstalls all of your known adapters, which means you'll need to enter that Wi-Fi password again for that network as well as every single other network you've ever connected to.